In this video, we will show you how to replace your front license plate bracket on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your front bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to remove the front license plate holder, we're going to remove this entire trim panel. To remove the trim panel, you can use a small trim tool or a small pocket screwdriver. Make your way in between the trim panel and the bumper itself. Once we start prying that away, you're going to find that you have several locking tabs holding it in place. We'll just continue on pulling this out and away. Now let's have a look along the backside. Here. This is upside down. You're going to find that you have 4 locking tabs. One here, there should be one there, it's broken, and 2 on the opposite side. For each of these, we're going to be continuing with our small pocket screwdriver or even a trim tool, and you want to try to dislodge the locking tabs. To do that, just go ahead and press that towards the center. You should hear it unlock. Now you can start pulling away on that license plate mounting bracket. Before we continue pulling too much further, go ahead and start dislodging the rest of these. We'd make our way over here. Like I said, this one's already missing, and over to the other side. This one down here is broken. Just have to push that out of there. Okay. There it is, friend. All right, a quick inspection of our trim panel here. Looking at the trim panel itself, you can see those 4 corresponding areas for our locking tabs. Let's get ready to install that license plate bracket. We have the locking tabs along the backside there. Just go ahead and align it. Press it into the locked position. Listen for a click from all 4 of the tabs, a quick wiggle to make sure it's properly secured, and we can get this entire trim panel with license plate bracket back in place. Now we're bringing this up into position, and you can tell on the trim panel we have several locking tabs, and the bumper itself will have corresponding ports for those to fit into. Let's go ahead and align this and press it in. Double check, make sure everything's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and install your front license plate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.